So linear, quadratic, and exponential model. So I chose the topic like, so we're gonna look for a pattern in each data set to determine which kind of model best describes the data. So the data is 0 and 2, 1 and 6, 2 and 18, 3 and 54, and 4 and 162. So the next thing we're going to do here is to identify where or what is the x and the y values. So the x values here are the first number in the parentheses, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we're going to write them in this graph or in this box. 0, sorry. And then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. And then after that, we're going to write the y values, which is the second numbers. The second numbers are 2, 6, 18, 54, and 162. So we're going to write it 2, 6, 18, 54, and 162. And so after that, we're going to find, or we're going to determine which function best describes it. So we're going to first see if there's, or see the mark if it connects to the function that we're going to describe. So we're going to subtract this 2. So 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. And 4 minus 3 is equals to 1, which are constant. So the next one are the y values. So we're going to think of a number that are able to connect with this one, with these two. So if we add 2, or if we add 2 and 4, we get 6. But if we add 6 and 4, it's equal to 10. So it's not addition or any subtraction. So we're going to try to multiply. We're going to think of a number. We're going to try 6 or 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Which is correct. 18 times 3 is 54. Correct? And 54 times 3 is 162. So these are constant, which is if it is a multiplication, or the y values, or in order to get a y values, we multiplied it. So the function that best describes the data, the exponential function. We need to remember that if it is quadratic function, they have two differences. So quadratic function have two differences. Like there's a 1 differences and then 2, like that. And if it is linear function, then there's only one difference, or one differences, or like that. So yeah, thank you.